Hello, this is D.Kaushal, role number 17. Today I am going to explain about image pyramids. In this video, we will look what is an image pyramid, how do we build an image pyramid and different techniques involving in it, and what will the histograms obtained by the different techniques. So we will start with knowing what are image pyramids. Image pyramids are considered as one of the basic structures in image processing which are used to represent image at different resolutions. So in general, a pyramid is a tetrahedron shaped structure, meaning it will have squares whose sides decrease from bottom to the top. So we can say that each square is represented by one particular image and the side of the square resembles the resolution of the image. So we can say that the base level will have the maximum resolution, that is number of pixels in a given image. Here maximum resolution indicates the image detailing. And also we can notice that the resolution from the base level to the top level of an image pyramid will keep on decreasing. As we move towards the top of the image pyramid, not only the resolution but also size of the image will keep on decreasing. So let us consider a pyramid of base level which is having resolution 2 power j into 2 power j. It can be truncated till the apex level, that is the top level's resolution becomes 1 into 1. And also we can conclude that two consecutive levels in an image pyramid form one image pyramid which is a subset of the given image pyramid, with the bottom of the two being the base level. So now this is an tetrahedron structure based image pyramid which is having base level, that is the level J, having resolution of n into n. On further going up, we can see that the resolution is on further increasing one level, that is J minus 1, we will have the resolution n into n by 2 into n by 2, and J minus 2 will have n by 4 into n by 4, and like that so on until it becomes 4 into 4 at level 2, and at the apex level it will have resolution 1 into 1. So we can say that image pyramids are used for image compression. So now how do we construct these image pyramids? Now let us consider an image I which is having resolution 2 power j into 2 power j. So we will require the level in the image pyramid which is on top of this image. So now we will have to construct an image which is having resolution 2 power j minus 1 into 2 power j minus 1. So this can be achieved by performing filtering with Gaussian channel, which is followed by down sampling with a factor of 2. So now we will collect an image with resolution 2 power j minus 1 into 2 power j minus 1. So by repeating the same process, the output image we will get the upper layer and so on. But to form a pyramid, we will also need the lower level. So we perform the interpolation with factor 2 to the output as well. To sum it up, we can say we blur and subsample at each level to get the upper level in the image pyramid. We achieve this blurring and subsampling by using Gaussian channel for filtering and downsampling. While performing downsampling, we will perform it by a factor of 2. The output is collected and it is known as Gaussian pyramid. If we take the image after filtering without using downsampling, that is, we take the image directly from the Gaussian channel, the image will be very smooth. And now we subtract our smooth image from our original image, we will get an image which is very sharp, meaning it will have sharp edges, meaning the certain intensity value get heightened and some certain intensity values will be subsided completely. This, and now by performing at each and every level, we can also form another image pyramid. So image pyramids which are formed like this are known as Laplacian image pyramids. Now let us look at the block diagram of a Gaussian pyramid. So first we will take an image with some certain resolution. We will pass it through Gaussian filter and then performing downsampling by 2. So its size and resolution is decreased by a factor of 2. And by repeating the process for several steps, we can decrease the resolution and size and perform image compression. So this is known as traditional Gaussian image pyramid. Now this is where it gets interesting. We perform the Gaussian filter and take that particular image and subtract it from our image, from our original image, getting a very sharp image with some certain heightened intensity value. This is known as Laplacian pyramid. So in this type of pyramid, it is also performed at each and every step, decreasing the resolution of the sharpened image and size of it as well. So now this is overall block diagram of an image pyramid where the input image is at a level j. By passing it through an approximation filter and then downsampling with a factor of 2, we will get the level j minus 1 approximation. Now this level j minus 1 approximation is passed through an upsampler and then towards the interpolation filter, which results in our which is subtracted from our level j input image, getting the level j prediction residual. Now let us look at the histogram of our Gaussian pyramid. So basically the original images histogram, and that after performing a Gaussian image pyramid, the histogram will never change. It will remain the same. Only the resolution and the size will vary. But while performing Laplacian image pyramid, the size, resolution, and also the histogram will vary very completely. A certain intensity value which is present at the edges will get heightened, and remaining all intensity values will be subsided. So this can be seen clearly in this case, as the histogram is spread throughout the image in case of Gaussian, and the histogram is histogram values of certain intensities were very highlighted at the Laplacian pyramid. So this is the basic difference between a Gaussian image pyramid and a Laplacian image pyramid. So that's all for this.